I'm Chef Fitzgerald. I'm here to win Conflict Kitchen, and I'm here to take Chef Lopez down. I brought my own salt and pepper because I cook with both. I also brought my own grapes because that's the best thing to cook with. I've been cooking for 112 years, which makes me the oldest chef in the world. I also do not like conflict, so I'm here to avoid it. Be like Jesus.
I am Chef Lopez. I am from Tokyo, Japan, where I have learned the cuisine of hibachi. And I have my expertise in cooking for 27 years. And I come to Conflict Kitchen not just to cook, but to dominate the kitchen. That's right. Because Chef Fitzgerald says he will overcome Chef Lopez. That is not true. Because when I come to the kitchen, I come with purpose. I come with conviction. And I come to dominate. Okay. Chef Fitzgerald, welcome to the kitchen.
Bienvenidos.
Yes, today's conflict in Conflict Kitchen is one of my delicacies, octopus.
Come on, man. Let's cook something native to here. Right?
Well, like
What's
what?
the last octopus you saw in Chatfield Reservoir?
Oh, well, it's crawfish.
Man, let's just do peanut butter and jelly.
Peanut butter and jelly? Yeah. Okay. Let's do peanut butter and jelly. First conflict in the kitchen, the Conflict Kitchen is peanut butter and jelly. So, here are the rules. The rules are, we will have 30 seconds to go into the pantry, get our stuff, come out, and see what we have.
What about 45 seconds?
30 seconds, 45, what's the big deal?
Well, if you don't want any conflicts, let's just go with 45 seconds.
Well, I thought 30 seconds was pretty good.
I may need 45 seconds to do this job.
How about 39 seconds? Okay. Okay, are you ready? May the best chef win. Ah! Ah! And it's time! Make the best PB&J for the judges.
This isn't even fair, Steve. I got a fruit basket in my pocket. I've got white chocolate morsels, pan spread, and lentil soup, man. This isn't fair.
Well, have you ever heard the old saying, Chef Fitzgerald, life is not fair? Time starts now!
Don't take those, Steve.
Hey, in the kitchen. Ten seconds.
Done!
Right.
Thank you.